What joy we could have in this country, what love we could have in this land. It's up to the new generation. We must let you know where we stand. We sing every man is a brother. With hatred and fighting we're through. We've learned we must love one another and put love in all that we do. All races, all religions, rich and poor and in between. We're the new generation, the generation with a dream. So sing of the joy in the country, so sing of the love in the land. Sing the song of the new generation. We hope now that you'll understand. We're a mighty large part of the nation, with something we'd like to explain. We believe in a brighter tomorrow, but no, there's no change without pain. All races, all religions, rich and poor and in between. We're the new generation, the generation with a dream. So sing of the joy in the country, so sing of the love in the land. Sing the song of the new